You can change the watch face of your OnePlus Watch 2 by long pressing on your screen and then swiping, selecting a different watch face, tapping on it, and that becomes your new watch face. But these are only watch faces that are available on the watch itself. If you want to download additional watch faces, then you need to go to the app. Okay, so just go ahead and launch the OHealth app on your phone. And on this app, tap on devices in the bottom right side and then tap on watch faces. And these are all new other different watch faces that you can download and install on your watch. So there are different categories. You have big number watch faces. If you tap on this, that opens the whole category and you can see all the watch faces available in that. And there are plenty of categories here. So let's find this metal category, for instance. If we open that, you can see all these watch faces that you can actually download to your watch. So let's say this one, for instance. If you like it, it's called the Stripe Machinery. And to get it or to download it, just tap on Apply button in the bottom there. It's going to get queued for a couple of seconds and then it's going to start downloading. There you go. So you can see the progress of the download happening there in real time. So just wait for the download to happen. After downloading, it's gonna apply it to the watch. So let's just wait. You can see the current watch face. This is it. And let's just wait for this one to finish downloading. So it's currently finished downloading and it's now applying it to the watch. Once it's done, that's it. Okay. So as you can see, we have our new watch face, which we have just downloaded. Okay, so that's what it looks like, and that's what it looks like in the always on display. Okay, thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.